Alright guys, so today currently what we're working on is finishing the passenger rear, all the bushings. So he did all of the other ones except this side, except this part. So taking them out, I took the whole assembly out and I'm going to put all the bushings in that came with it. And I started drilling them out. This one I got to get the sleeve out, got the rubber out. This one also. The only thing, where was it? Oh, here's this one. So this one has, I forget which one it is, but there's a one of these holes is smaller, so you have to press it in. And then it sits on like a shoulder. Now, when I got this car and I went and looked at it, this wheel was like pointed outwards a little bit. It wasn't crazy, but it was noticeable. So I was like, all right, he did the suspension. He probably just didn't align them right at all. So you gotta adjust the cam bolt. That's under there. But then I went underneath, adjusted the cam bolt, and I got it better, but not perfect. And then that's what made me when I was putting the bushings in the other one, I realized, and I'll go into there and show you what I think is wrong. 1 second. All right, so I have to double confirm with the instructions, but if you look there, that's definitely not pushed in all the way. And it isn't either. So I gotta take that out also. Everything else, this is what I meant when I have to go through a lot of stuff that he did. For the most part, it's okay, but I've found some things that doesn't look the best. Let's finish drilling these out and then putting these new ones in. Alright, so got it out without fucking this up. All I used was the and then I broke it, cut it, and hit it in, broke it up. Alright, so we got them all in, and that wasn't fun. I don't want to do it again. Also, like, they don't recommend replacing all the ones I did. I only matched what the other guy had, so I wasn't going to take them out and put the stock ones back in. Well, you can't put the stock ones back in, you have to get new ones. I wasn't going to do that, so I just matched it and put these in. But they don't recommend it, so they can wear out suspension and the binds on the shock. So let's go install these. All right, so finally, all done. It wasn't too bad, other than that spacer in right there. That was a pain in the ass. But and then lining up that one was a little pain in the ass, but not bad. So to get the factory one out, unless you drop the subframe, you have to cut that bolt because it'll hit the gas tank. But yeah, suspension's done over here. Now we gotta go fix the driver's side. How they didn't have it pressed in all the way. So I gotta take off this on that side and then that one on that side. So we'll get that done and then we'll get this thing out of here. And that'll be sick. And then injectors come today. Today's Monday now. And we'll have that video coming soon after this one of it running, and maybe we'll get it registered this week. See what else we need. All right, it's time to fix the driver's side rear suspension, and once this is done, we should be able to go ahead and drop the car off of the rollers, and in the morning we should be able to bring it out, give it a car wash, check it out. Injectors come today, get it running, maybe drive it. Got it. All right, so this is in question. Should be pressed all the way to the shoulder right there, down. I believe, wasn't able to really find anything online, but just makes sense to me. Now, since this really hasn't been driven since the stuff been installed, it should be easy to remove. You thought. Just requires a different persuader. That was the difference. Ended up with this though. Why is it not coming off? This side's definitely looser. That spacer just popped out. It was a pain putting it on the other side. It makes me a little more happy. And this one, bada bing, bada boom. Let's go to the workbench and fix it. Hopefully you see the difference. Hopefully it matters. I don't know, but I fixed it because it looked like it mattered. On to the next one. All right, got it set up finally. Put one of the bolts in there. Let's see which one fits best. Okay, now I'm happy with that. Just get a press. We'll put this back in the car. I'll let you guys know when I'm done. Peace. All right, she is finally done. Off the jack stands, off the rollers. Tomorrow, well later today, I'll take the front off. I'm gonna go underneath and tighten up some wires like the OT sensor. And then once that's done, I'll take those off the rollers. But yeah, she's ready to roll out of the garage, I think. I appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully it is with this thing driving and running. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.